title, What is a transistor? What does it do? And why are they important? Introduction. Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about one of the most fundamental components of electronic technology, the transistor. We'll discuss what it is, what it does, why it's important, how it's used, and how to properly place and direction it in a circuit. So, let's dive in. What is a transistor? A transistor is a switching device that allows current to flow in one direction or another, depending on a control signal. They are one of the most common components in integrated circuits, or ICs, and are used in a wide range of applications, from computers and smartphones to televisions and other electronic devices. What does it do? Transistors perform a variety of functions in a circuit, such as switching, amplifying, and filtering. They work by receiving an input signal, which triggers a change in their state. This change allows current to flow in one direction or another, depending on the state of the input signal. Why do we use them? Transistors are important because they enable the integration of large numbers of components on a small surface area, making it easier and more efficient to create complex circuits. They also allow for the precise control of electrical signals, which is essential in many applications, such as audio and video processing. How are they constructed? Transistors are composed of several layers of material, including a base, a collector, and an emitter. The base and collector are connected by a region called the drift region, while the emitter and base are connected by a region called the base-emitter junction. When an input signal is applied to the emitter, it causes a change in the electric field in the base-emitter junction. This change allows current to flow from the base to the collector. Are they constructed of? Transistors are typically made from three main materials: a semiconductor, such as polycrystalline silicon or gallium arsenide, a metal oxide semiconductor MOS structure, and a layer of insulating material, such as silicon dioxide. How to know proper placement and direction? To ensure optimal performance, it's essential to know how to properly place and direction transistors in a circuit. Place the transistor as close to the input signal source as possible, since the input signal needs to travel through the transistor to reach its output. 2. Place the collector closest to the input signal, as this will allow the most current to flow through the transistor. 3. Place the emitter as close to the output signal source as possible, as this will minimize the resistance in the output path. 4. Ensure that the base is properly connected to both the collector and the emitter, as this will create a stable electric field and allow for proper switching. Conclusion. In conclusion, transistors are a crucial component of modern electronic technology. They enable the integration of large numbers of components on a small surface area, allowing for the creation of complex and precise circuits. By understanding what they do, how they are constructed, and how to properly place and direction them, you can ensure that your circuits function correctly and efficiently. So, the next time you're working with transistors or integrated circuits, remember these important details and keep them in mind for your next project.